Hey all you BlackBerry users, Todd here from NiceBlackberry.com. Today I'm going to demo a new release that we've just pushed out. It's In the Know 2 Slide with OS 6 icons. What we've done is this, we had the original In the Know Today Plus Sliding Bottom Dock. We've reworked it and came up with In the Know 2 Slide OS 6 icons. So I'm going to show you this. I'm demoing this on my 9530 Storm. I'm running operating system 5.0 on this. We have demo videos on a Bold 9000 running 5.0, as well as a 9000 Bold running OS 4.6. So that will give you a little understanding of the various operating systems and various devices. This is available for all devices running operating system 4.6, 4.7, 5.0. So let's show you what we've got. Again, this is demoed on my 9530 running operating system 5.0, and this is obviously the Storm. So let's show you. First off, it's a Today style with a sliding bottom dock. So let's show you what we've got. Up top, you can see I'm hovered over top of Profiles icon at this point. Above that, you've got the battery. Below, you've got alarm clock, and you've got Bluetooth. You've got your carrier, you've got your time, you've got your date, you've got your any new message notifications, text messages, missed calls, emails, what have you, carrier signal strength over there. Basically, Profiles icon hovered over top of it. Go ahead and push. You can go down there and now select any of the profiles that you want. On OS 5.0, go ahead and click the time. You'll see you get the blue. Push it. You get your clock. Go over to the signal strength and hit the signal strength, and you'll see it turns blue. Go ahead and push it, and you'll get all of your network connections where you can manage those. From there, go down on top, hover over top of Messages. I'm on the main message icon now. You can push that to enter your full message app, or you can go into any of these individual, as you can see, you can go into any of these individual entries as well. So hover over top of the first one as by the blue, push it, and you can go in there, and there you can review your message. Go back, and you'll see it automatically removes from view. And that's how you can preview your messages there, and obviously you can click on any of the 4 that are left. On the Storms, you get 5 message previews, and you get 4 calendar previews. So that's how that works. Calendar, go ahead and hover over top of the main calendar app. You can enter into your full calendar app, or you can add anything, or you can go ahead and hover over top of an individual entry, and you can go ahead and click it, and then there's where you can review, change anything like that. If you changed anything, you'd want to hit menu, and then you'd want to go down to save and save it from there. So that's how that works. What you're going to see on the bottom here is you can see the 3 dots. The first dot's white. What that indicates is I'm on the first set of the sliding bottom dock icons. On the Storm, there's 12 total, so you have there's 12 total. So you got 4 here, and then obviously you've got 3 screens that you go through for a total of 12 icons on the bottom dock. What we've done with these is we've incorporated on the Storm is the highlight feature. So when you hover over top of any of these individual, not only do you get the name of the app that you're hovered over top of, they highlight. So if I go to text messages, you'll see it highlights, and then you get the name that flashes up, and then it disappears. Contacts, same thing. So that's how it works. Slide on the Storm, very simple. Go ahead from the right side of the screen, and you can swipe to the left to go to the second set of icons. Now you can see I'm on the second set as referenced here by the white dot for the second, and now I can go ahead and swipe, and I'm on the third set. And then obviously any of these that you hover over top, there you go. And then if you go up to Messages, you go to Calendar, go to Messages, or what have you, it keeps you exactly where you're at. Now to go back to the second set, just swipe from the left, and then left side of the screen over. Now I'm on the second. Now I'll go to the first set, swipe, and there you go. So that's kind of how the Today screen works. The sliding feature, very simple to operate. People ask if you watch this video, you'll completely understand on how you make it slide. Basically, to go to the left, just go from the left side of the screen and swipe to the. You can swipe over. There you go, and then to go, if you want to go over to the other sets, you just grab from the side of the screen, swipe across. That's basically how it works. So there you go. Let's go in and let's show you kind of a close-up. You can see here these new icons. That is a sub mailbox there. And then basically you've got your text message. So these are all new, but let's show you inside. So here I am in a portrait view. As you can see, calendar is all new, messages new, camera new, all of your folders are new. There's your new downloads folder, games folder, applications folder, options. So these are all new icons. Basically, this is what it's going to look like here in a portrait view. You've got your menu there. If I go ahead and flip it over into what you would call a landscape, here's what your landscape looks like. As you can see, all the new fresh icons. You've got your red stars on all of those. Up top, you've got all your notifications here when you're in that landscape mode. Menu button, that's what your menu button looks like there. So if you need to do any of your options or anything like that, flip it back over and you go back to the today screen, and then basically this is what it looks like. So the icons look very clean and very fresh. Everything else has been revamped on this theme. We've got the incoming call screens and outgoing call screens. Again, nice sized font. Phone numbers fit. Everything else, everything's aligned properly up top, and basically it all ties together very, very nicely. So again, sliding feature on the bottom dock. Basically, go ahead from the right side of the screen and you swipe to the left to go through the icon sets. The dots show you what you're on. So I'm on the third set of 4, and then I go back, I'm on the second set of 4, and finally I'm on the first set of my 4 icons. All of these 12 on the bottom can be configured by you. So if you want to go into your home screen and you want to grab clock, you can grab clock, you can go to move and then move it up, complete the move, and now if I go back to the home screen, what you're going to see is clock is now in the number 1 position. So basically any of 12 that you have here, that's how you arrange your order on the today screen. So you can grab and move any of these around. If I want to take media and I want to move media up here, let me complete that move, and now when I go back to the today screen, as you'll see, media is now in the second slot because I put it in the number 2 slot on the home screen, and it's on the number 2 slot in the today screen. So that's how it works. It's in the No 2 slide with OS 6 icons. Very clean, very nice looking. This is available for lots of devices. So if you want to see other demo videos, screenshots, descriptions, or to purchase, just go to niceblackberry.com. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you guys again soon.